Are you struggling finding wholesaling real estate deals? You just can't find leads and you want to start getting deals. Well, I'm gonna show you today exactly how to find motivated sellers every single day. Remember, if you ain't making offers, you ain't making money wholesaling real estate. And I think people just really confuse finding deals and finding motivated sellers. People feel like they have to spend thousands of dollars on PPL leads and Facebook ads, and that's how you find deals. Well, if you don't have much money at all, you can get a ton of deals. Basically, unlimited gobs of money and unlimited gobs of leads by just sticking to the fundamentals that I teach. Guys, my name's Zach Ginn. I've been wholesaling for over 10 years and I currently make millions of dollars every single year in my own wholesaling business. And I never struggle finding motivated sellers. I never struggle finding wholesaling deals. And I'm not going to show you behind a paywall how to do it. I'm just going to give you everything you need to know right now. Now, the main reason a lot of wholesalers struggle finding motivated sellers is they go after the wrong type of sellers. You got to understand, 1 out of 100 people want to sell their house. So if you have 100 homeowners, usually 1 out of 100 want to sell their house. Now, out of those 1 out of 100 people that want to sell their house, only 1 to 5% of them want to sell the house for a discount. Think about that. That's 0.01 of everybody that owns real estate. It's a very small needle in the haystack. Let me explain that one more time. Only 1% of people want to sell their house. So if I make a pie chart right here of every property in America, literally only 1% of them, this is probably more than 1%, want to sell their house. The problem is the majority of those people that want to sell, only 1% of those. So it's the 1% of the 1% because these 1% want to sell for below market value. So you're literally finding 0.01 of a percent. So pretty much 1 out of 1,000 people you are looking for that are going to sell their house for a discount, because you could find somebody that wants to sell their house, but how do you find somebody that wants to sell their house for a discount so you can get that contract and sell to a cash buyer for a $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 finder's fee? That's the real answer here. Now, these type of sellers, most people feel like they have to pay tens of thousands of dollars to find these type of people. And yes, you can go get inbound leads where people are wanting to reach out to you on a Facebook ad or they're searching on Google, but to get a lead of somebody who wants to do that, which by the way, 1 out of like 10 ends up being a deal, you're going to spend at least $400 per lead. You're going to spend almost $5,000 to get a wholesaling real estate deal. I'm going to show you spend like, I don't know, $10 to get a deal. Now, what I go after are sellers that actually need to sell their property. They're like, I have to sell. I have to get rid of it. You see, there's a big difference between people that want to sell versus need. A seller that wants to sell their house, they say, you know, I'll sell if I could, but an actual really good wholesaling deal is I need to sell. I need this problem solved. And the best part about going after these type of sellers is the conversations are really simple and really easy. When somebody needs to sell their house, they say, sure, I want to sell. Like, can you give me an offer on the property? I want to get rid of it. They don't play hardball. They don't give you a million objections. The flow's really simple and easy. It's like a puzzle piece that comes together. Now, the way to find motivated sellers really quick, easy, and in a simple process is to think of marketing as two things, a list and a channel. It's the list as the bait and the channel as the rod and reel. And so let's talk about my favorite list to pull. By far, again, one of my favorite lists to pull are going to be probates, code violations, water shutoffs, tax delinquents. These are lists you get from the government that cost absolutely no money at all. It's pretty simple. So for example, I want to pull a probate list. This is Muskogee County, which is in Columbus, Georgia. Amazing wholesaling area. All I'm going to do is go to the clerk of the court right here. I'm going to go to public records, which is right here in the court portal. I'm going to go to Smart Search. And not a lot of people know, but again, if I try to search like something here, it's going to pop up nothing. So if you go to advanced filtering options right here and you filter by probate court, which is important, and then you filter by not Smart Search, but you search by judicial officer, and then you do cases for the past month right here, press search. And because of how difficult Columbus, Georgia makes it, 99% of wholesalers don't go after the probates here because you have to go by judicial officer. There's so many judicial officers. Well, in about 15 minutes, I click judicial officer 1. There's only 30 of them. You press submit. Let's see if there's any probates. No probate. Cool. Okay, back to the search. We're going to try Joe Bishop now. Go back, search again, nothing. Okay, next search, nothing. Next search, nothing. All right, next one. Now, I'm getting a little impatient, so I just searched up who the judge is for probates, and it says Mark D'Antonio is the one. So I go back out here and look up Mark D'Antonio, and boom, got some probates. So here's a probate. So see Calvin Ross. So what I'm going to do is just press on the case number. Now I got some details. We got the petitioner. So I have all the info I need. I know that Calvin Ross is dead. That's the property. Now I pulled a probate. Pretty simple there. Now I'd go through all the judicial officers, and all the probates for the past 30 days are going to pop up by manually searching. It might take you 30 minutes. Boom, you got it right there. You can pull the code violations from code enforcement, the water shutoffs, tax delinquencies. If you want to kind of look over my shoulder of me pulling these lists, you just go to freewholesaling.com. We'll teach you exactly how to pull it. Now, if you have a little bit of budget and you use X Leads or something for your calling and texting, you can definitely pull vacants, high equities, tired landlords, and just stack other lists too. That's a great way to find motivated sellers. If you don't really have a budget, I'd stick to the free list. And if you have a little bit more of a budget, I'd stick to the free list and text blast and cold call them. But obviously you can use the paid list too. Now, one of my other favorite lists you can be doing in wholesaling is doing what I call my earned lists. So these are lists other wholesalers really don't do. This is also called sweat equity. This is drying for dollars, door knocking, just looking for ugly houses, and just finding ugly looking properties by sitting in your car and looking through them through the window. Drying for dollars, baby. So you're in your car, you drive around the area, you look for an ugly house, you write it down, you skip trace it, you call it, you get the deal. Now, once you find these sellers, you need to go get their phone number. Now, there's two ways you're gonna find a seller's phone number. For example, here we have this Painsley and Martin lady that I need to reach out to. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy her information, and I'm actually gonna search her on like truepeoplesearch.com, and I'm just gonna put Columbus, Georgia. So we're gonna search out the person that passed away in Columbus right here. Now we have this property address where he owns. We're gonna go to possible relatives, and we're gonna look for that other person. So that Martin Pansy right here is the right person. This is the person who's going to inherit the property, and you call them up right there. That's one of the best ways to find somebody's phone number for free. Now, that's a lot of work because you got to copy and paste and copy and paste and copy and paste, and to do thousands of those records take a lot of manual time. So that's why a lot of wholesalers use a software like xleads.com to go out here and get it skip traced. So for example, you go to the leads tab right here, you go to xleads.com, going to paste the address right here, and all you have to do is go to contacts, and the owner on records phone number is going to pop up right there, and then any of the heirs. And you can skip trace right on XLeads and pull an entire list of probates, like 100, 1,000 at a time, and then export it and get it all skip traced for a dialer. The next part here is gonna be cold calling. So you can use XLeads, which has a auto dialer and a triple line dialer. If you don't have a money for a dialer, you can use Google Voice as a dialer too. And by far, cold calling is gonna be the best thing you can do to get wholesaling deals, because you gain your skills talking to sellers, and you also gain your skills just getting leads fast, which you get in front of them, and gain your sales skills by getting deals quick. If you wanna get a wholesaling deal the quickest way possible and just produce leads upon leads, cold calling is the answer. Now, if you're really lazy, you can just SMS text blast. This is really good for like solo operators and great at doing massive volume, because if you're gonna do 5,000, 10,000 texts per day, it's a lot easier doing it with SMS than cold calling, because all you do is, like, for example, use a software like xleads.com, click a button, and boom, you just send out 5,000 texts. And honestly, it's gonna be like an hour a day of work to text the leads back. And if you use XLeads, you can have AI do the texting for you, which is technically more legally compliant because you send the text out, then the AI texts the person back after that. But honestly, like scalability wise, you really can't beat SMS text blasting. And the best wholesaling text blasting service is xleads.com. Now, you can text on Google Voice, but you can only text about 5 leads per hour, which is just pretty hard to do at scale. But if you're looking to scale out a bunch of stuff and just get a bunch of skip tracing, I would just throw the leads into XLeads, text blast, and get deals. Now, by far, one of the most stupid, dummy-proof ways to get wholesaling deals is to pull, let's say, a pre-foreclosure list and just put sticky notes on the door. It's really simple. Pull a list of pre-foreclosures, import that list into like ChatGPT or Claude, and ask for it to create a driving route for you to where you live, where you're gonna leave. And then just go to the dollar store, buy a bunch of sticky notes, write on the sticky note, hey, this is Zach. I had a quick question about your house. Please give me a call back. Put your name, put your phone number like that, and stick them on the houses. You're gonna get a ton of people calling you back. They're gonna say, oh, you just called me. Oh, what do you want? Hey, this is Zach. Me and my partner probably put that note out because we're looking to buy properties in the area. It's just seeing if you're looking to sell your house. Now, the reason why this works so well is because if you ever tried cold calling pre-foreclosures, which is not a good idea, do not cold call pre-foreclosures. They're really hard to get a hold of. But if you put a sticky note on their door, they're gonna see it, and curiosity kills the cat. Curiosity killed the cat. They're gonna be so like, is this my lost long lover? Is this Sheila from 4th grade? Hey, what's going on? You put a sticky note on my door. Like, you get in front of 30 to 40% of these sellers versus cold calling, we only get in front of 1%. So you're 40 times more effective doing this than even calling and texting. And honestly, on like 2 hours on a Saturday, you can be blasting Taylor Swift and just putting sticky notes out and having a great day. Now, a lot of people also ask me, what do you do if they come out and say, why are you putting a note on my door? Hey, me and my partner are looking to buy houses in the area, and this is a house he's looking to buy. I mean, are you interested in selling it? But the main point here is you just need to stick to one list and one marketing channel. There's no flip-flopping. There's no getting confused here. A lot of people have a lot of issues with focus in wholesaling. I don't know. We got an ADHD crisis going on. So I'm going to make this really stupid simple for you. Pick one list. So government list, code violations, probates, pre-foreclosures, water shutoffs, fire damage properties, any of the stuff I teach inside of freewholesaling.com. Paid list, list, I stick to vacant properties, high equities, tax delinquents if you can get it from the paid list, absentee owners, or earned lists, which would be drawing for dollars or reverse drawing for dollars. And then pick a channel, either cold calling that list, SMS text blasting that list, or putting a piece of mail in their house. So you can do a postcard, which you can do inside of XLeads, or you could just do reverse drawing for dollars, which I consider direct mail, because what is mail? Like, you pay a guy to deliver a piece of paper to you. Well, in my opinion, piece of paper is a sticky note. So whatever you want, just choose one list and one marketing channel. That is it. Track your conversations, track your marketing, follow up with all your warm leads, and change only the data. Keep going one list, one marketing channel. And then from there, you're going to follow my 1,000 leads rule. Instead of guessing what you have to be doing, this is your rule. In the next 30 days, you need to reach out to 1,000 sellers, either 1,000 sticky notes, 1,000 calls, or 1,000 texts. You have to reach out to 1,000 motivated seller leads. Expect rejection, expect to do reps, but this is all you have to do. Literally don't focus on anything else if you're a complete beginner. So I just want you to pull one list, pull one marketing channel, log every single lead that you called or text. We have a free CRM inside of freewholesaling.com, my free wholesaling course and community, and just follow up with these sellers. And then from there, you go through my MCTP closing system, which I have inside of freewholesaling.com, find the motivation from the seller, build that rapport, make that offer, and get the wholesaling deals. It's really that simple. What should you be doing now? Now I got you fired up to get unlimited amount of leads. It's simple. Simplicity scales, complexity fails. Pick one list today, pick one marketing channel today, and reach out to 1,000 sellers. That is it. If you want to learn more about this, make sure you join my free wholesaling course and community, freewholesaling.com. And like always, if you got any value from this video, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. This is Zach signing out. Have a blessed one.